Okay, let's talk about how to get to your assignment before we even get started. So you've already read our target, you've listened to me do our introduction and break down the target. Now you need to click on either Turtle's assignment or Rabbit's assignment. Okay, so for today, I'm going to pretend to be a rabbit. Now if I'm a rabbit, I click here on this link. Notice, it just opens up another tab, like for free. It's awesome. So anytime I need to, I can go back to this tab and access this information. Since I'm already here, I'm going to say no, because I am not a turtle today. I'm a rabbit, and yes. So here I am in Google Classroom. Again, yours looks a little different than mine. Your assignment is going to be over here on the side with the big turn in button. Don't turn it in blank. You need to click on your name. It's going to be over here in order to open a document that looks like this. This is where you are going to write your informational piece about the life cycle of a butterfly. Now, if this will load, it shows you a little picture that is the life cycle. So I've got it right here for you. Here is the butterfly life cycle. Egg, larva, pupa, adult. Okay? So this is how you access your work for today. Now if I come back here, our description or our instructions today say, here is your informational writing assignment for today. Please watch these videos to help you with all the parts of your writing. This takes you right back to our Google form. Okay, so there are now two ways to access this form. I want you guys to start on the Google form, make your way to Classroom, and then open your document. Do that now.